Welcome to PUC first year students. We are studying the chapter number 4, that is presentation of data. In presentation of data, today let us study the diagrammatic presentation of data. The diagrammatic presentation of data, this is the third method of presenting data. The diagrams may be less accurate but are much more effective than the tables in presenting the data. It is less accurate but is more effective than the tables in presenting data. So, the diagrammatic presentation of data has three types. They are mainly the geometric diagrams and frequency diagrams, arithmetic line graphs. What are these three types of diagrams? The important kinds of diagrams or data are the first one is the geometric diagrams, second one is the frequency diagrams, third one is the arithmetic line graphs. But the geometric diagram has two types, namely bar diagrams and the pie diagrams. The geometric diagrams has two types, namely bar diagrams and the pie diagrams. And you have to understand the meaning of the what is bar diagram. You have to understand the meaning of what is bar diagram. Bar diagram is a presentation of data with the help of a rectangular bar is called as the bar diagram. Once again, bar diagram is the presentation of the data with the help of the rectangular bar is called as the bar diagram. And the bar diagram are mainly concerned three types. Bar diagram concern the three types, or bar diagram, the types of bar diagram are the three types. One is simple diagrams, and second one is multiple bar diagrams, and third one is the component bar diagrams. There are three types of bar diagrams. First one is the simple bar diagrams, second one is the multiple bar diagrams, third one is the component bar diagrams. The simple bar diagrams, it is the simplest types of bar diagrams. It is used to represent only one variable or category of data. For example, the simple bar diagram has an example: data relating to sales, profit, population, etc. The simple bar diagrams examples are the profit, sales, and populations, etc. in presenting data. But we have see the simple bar diagrams. We have to solve the how to draw the simple bar diagram. For example, the simple bar diagram example is there is a question and this is the answer. There is a question, simple bar diagram. For example, the following are the population of India for different years. Present them in a stable bar diagram. Population of India 1951 to 2011. The data is like this. There is the first column shows year and second column shows population. In 1951, the population is 36.1 crores. In 1961, the population is 43.9 crores. In 1971, the 54.8 crores. In 1981, 68.4 crores. In 1991, 84.4 crores. In 2001, 202.8 crores. And now, 2011, it is the population is 121 crores. You have to show the simple diagram. Let us draw the simple diagram. This is first you have to draw like this. X-axis the year and y vertical lines the population. You if I to show this is the year, to show the year 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. And find the population, show the populations, the y-axis. Maybe it is accurate the population in 1951. How to draw the simple bar diagram. See how to draw the simple bar diagram. First, in 1951, the population is 36.1. Where is the 36 point? It is the 20, 40, 30, 36.1. This is you mark like this. In the 1961, what is the population? 43.9. 43.9. Like you draw like this. 43.9. In 1971, what is the population? 1971, 54.8. 54.8. 40, 50, 54.8. 54.8. 1971, 54.8. When it is 1971, 54.8. In 1981, what is the population? 68.4. 81, 68, 60, 68.4. 68.4. 68.4. In 1991, the population is 84.4. 1991, population is 84.4. Where 84.4. In 2001, the population 102.8. 102.8. 102.8. In 2011, the population is 121 crores. It is a bar diagram. So it is simple bar diagram. You set all of the bars. simple bar diagram. Here in the 1951 it is 36.1, 36.1. In 1961 43.9, 43.9, and 1971 54.8, 1981 68.4, 1991 84.4, in 2001 102.8, in 2011 121 crores. It is the simple bar diagram. So you have to prepare like this. The diagram is very easy to draw, and how you learn how to draw and how to calculate and how to write the numbers and years. This is the simple bar diagrams. And the next day or tomorrow we will show the multiple diagrams. Be ready to watch the multiple bar diagrams in the next period. Thank you, one and all.